In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook feed to your Squarespace website. This is a great way to keep your content fresh and engaging by showcasing the latest updates from your Facebook page directly on your site. First, we're going to start by heading over to a helpful third-party service called Common Ninja. Once you're there, click on the option that says Widgets Plus. This will guide us to where we can find the right widget that we need to display our Facebook feed. Next, in the search bar, type Facebook feed. You should see an option appear labeled exactly that. Go ahead and click on Facebook feed. This will bring you to the widget page where you'll see a button labeled Create Facebook Feed. Click on this to start generating your feed through Common Ninja. After creating your feed, the next step is hitting the Publish button. By doing so, you're telling Common Ninja that your feed is ready to be used. Once published, you'll see an option to Save Widget. Click on it. It's important to choose a folder where you want to save this widget, so select a folder that makes sense for your project or organization. After selecting the appropriate folder, proceed to save your changes. This next step is crucial. You need to click on Save Changes to ensure all your recent modifications are securely stored. You now have your widget saved. It's time to grab the code needed to integrate it with Squarespace. Click on Copy Code to put the appropriate embed code onto your clipboard. With that code in hand, head over to your Squarespace site. On your Squarespace dashboard, you'll want to find the page where you'd like to display the feed and click on Add Block. This will open up various types of content blocks you can add to your site. Here, choose Embed. Once you've selected this option, click on Edit to begin working on integrating the widget. Within this editing menu, you'll find the Code Snippet option. Click that to enter a space where you can paste our code. After you click on Code Snippet, there will be an option that says Embed Data. Select this, and in the text box provided, paste the code you previously copied from Common Ninja. With the embedded code in place, click on Save to finalize the addition of your Facebook feed to your website. And there you have it. Your Facebook feed should now be live on your Squarespace page, dynamically displaying the latest from your social media profile. If any adjustments are needed, just head back to each of these steps, make your changes, and update the widget accordingly.